So, which brings to my next question, that as you said that your journey was, with ups and downs and so many challenges. So, what are the top three learnings which you got during your journey, which has helped you to generate results, financial results?
Sort of stock market journey is all about your mindset. Okay. In fact, there's a saying in the stock market that 75% is your mindset, your psychology, okay, controlling your greed and fear and emotions. Rest 25% is your skill set and techniques, which definitely you can learn by investing some money into it, some time into it. You can definitely learn it. So that is one. Okay. The
Okay.
second one is be a disciplined and process driven trader. Okay.
Okay.
Processes are very, very important. As somebody has rightly said, systems works and people fail.
Yeah.
The
True.
third one is educate yourself. Find a mentor who is successful, and he will create a bridge for you to cut short your learning curve. So that way, I think these three is something which is, the major learning which I got from the market and which helped me in generating the right results.
Yeah. Truly, I truly, resonate with that. These are very true, three powerful principles.